What are you doing here? What are you doing? Ari, what are you doing? Who are you? Where are you coming from to this world? Are you coming from up or are you coming from down? Where is your house? Like this. Hey, good boy. Good boy. When you start with this and question yourself, what is this? You don't find the answer. Everybody knows this is the back, camera back, like this, but nobody sees this. You only see words about camera back. And who is sitting here? Who is that fellow? Where is his mind? Can you find his mind? Is his mind in the head, in the hair, or in the paw, or in the tail, or in the front paw, or in the ear, like this? Where is his mind? Can you find his mind? Or can you find your own mind? It is in head, in chest, in arm, or in belly. You cannot find the mind because mind is something you cannot see. Like thoughts, you cannot see thoughts. No matter what kind of device you use, you never see the thoughts. He can think or not, you never find out. If he's thinking, what is he thinking? And what I am thinking now, you cannot get it. Thoughts are invisible, like mind, because mind is empty. That means that mind is invisible. There's no shape. You cannot see it, you cannot hear it, you cannot touch it. You can touch this, but you cannot touch the mind. Like that. You can start with this, your Zen inquiries. Observe and have a look. What is this? And this is a miracle. Like that.